Hello and welcome to Bike Talk. And today, my mountain bike's got a problem with the crankset or the chain set. So let's have a look at it and see what the problem is. The problem's this outer chainring. I'm on a 2x10 setup. This is a Shimano SLX, and the wear here is so much that when I put some power through the drive system, the chain skips over the teeth and then you slip a gear. And the biggest problem right now is because of all the problems with lockdown. Spare parts are really hard to come by. Even parts on eBay are going at ridiculous prices. Something like that would probably go for the price you'd have paid for it new a few years ago. So what can we do? I'll tell you what we can do. We can go and find something from your local bike shop that was lurking downstairs in the basement. Now this is a 2x9 setup, but we're on 2x10, but it'll still work. And it cost me a fantastic price of £39. It's not going to be XT or SLX quality. It's going to be very heavy, I can feel the weight in it, but it will do at that price. It's as cheap as buying a replacement chainring just for that alone. But if I want to get out on them local trails this evening, fit this, it's going to put a smile on my face. So first of all, let's slacken off these two lock screws that clamp the non-drive side onto the drive side. And then with a park tool, this is a BBT9, put that into there. That removes the end cap. And that should just pull off. And then using these speed link pliers, we go between there. Now we can release the chain. And next we just slightly tap with a mallet. That should just pull straight through if you've greased it before installation. And on there we have a light film of grease or copper slip. So what are the weight penalties? And looking at that, that's 600 grams for the new one, and the old one is 512 grams. And so the non-drive side, old one, SLX, 227 grams, and the stock Shimano, the new one, 279 grams. So the bike will now be a little bit heavier, but in my opinion, it's quite a heavy bike anyway. So while we're here, we'll give things a bit of a quick clean down. We've got access. The bottom bracket's fine. In fact, I think that's a Dura Ace bottom bracket. And so we get some copper slip. And we're going to rub it onto the shaft there, which will make it nice and easy for next time we want to get it off. And then we torque this setting up on here. It says between 12 to 14 Newton meters. We've got that dialed in. I'm going to put some dry lube on the chain because it is super dusty out there. Let that work in. Now that's all set up, but this is actually a smaller chainring size. So I'm on a 22 now on the lowest. The problem you've got with a 22 is if I show you this change gear, as I go down at the back end, then change it that way, we haven't got the clearance and the settings here to drop that and allow that to stop rubbing. That's a small price to pay, because I'll never ride on that combination of gear. So it's kind of rare that you'd ride right down here and be up there on the chainring. That's an unusual combination. So there you have it, it's now good to go. Let's go for a ride.